Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today मैंने अपना नहा धो लिया अभी and I woke up like 15 minutes ago. तो मैंने जल्दी से नहाया हूँ अभी. आज संडे है and आज I will be going to my neighbor's house कपड़े धोने के लिए because यहाँ पे मुझे कपड़े धोने के लिए पेमेंट करना पड़ता है which is like 3 euros and 50 cents. और मुझे पैसे वेस्ट क्यों ही करना है जब you can go to your friend's house and you can wash your clothes. और आज की वीडियो में क्या क्या होगा, आई विल गो टू माई वही दोस्तों के घर पे कपड़े धोने के लिए. एंड ऑल्सो मुझे एक कोलैब आया है दैट आई नीड टू मेक अ वीडियो जिसमें कुछ भी हो सकता है एंड आई नीड टू अपलोड इट. और मुझे जितने ज़्यादा व्यूज़ हो सकते हैं वो चाहिए टू विन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट. इट्स आई थिंक क्रिएटर कॉन्टेक्स्ट समथिंग. सो I am fully pumped up but also a little bit of scared कि what if मुझे ज़्यादा views चाहिए और नहीं मिला. So I will be planning कि क्या कौन सी वीडियो अच्छी लगेगी because right now तो I am clueless. Let's start our day. Let's make our breakfast. अभी 8 बज चुके हैं and I woke up early today, thank God. So without wasting any time, I want to make my breakfast and I will eat and we will make this vlog quick and short. So we'll get ready after the breakfast. It's been a crazy week. ये week इतनी ज़्यादा गंदी गई है कि सुबह निकलता हूँ और शाम को वापस आता हूँ और कई बार रात को. तो रूम ऑर्गेनाइज करने का मौका ही नहीं मिलता. तो every day I just be so tired. I'm like I will do it at the end of the week. So I'm gonna wear this क्योंकि आज ठंड है. इसके ऊपर I will wear my another layering. And ये बहुत टाइम्स मैंने नहीं पहनी. I think मेरे को लगता है कि ये बहुत अच्छी नहीं लगती है. तो I don't know like. But as usual, I did not choose that outfit. I just changed entire. And this is me organizing my room because at the end of the day, I need to organize it. I thought if I will live alone, there won't be a lot of mess that used to be when I was living in sharing. But I was wrong. The room is messy every day. And I'm like, what the fuck? And you know what the crazy thing is? I did not like what I was wearing. So I had to change it for the third time. क्योंकि ये ग्रे थोड़ा फीका था तो मुझे ये ज़्यादा डार्क ग्रे पहनना पड़ा. पहले जब मैं शेयरिंग में रहता था तो वहाँ पे तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा मेस्ड अप होता था रूम. तो आई थॉट कि जब मैं अकेले रहूँगा तो रूम ज़्यादा मैसी नहीं होगा ऑफ कोर्स क्योंकि मुझे तो ऑर्गेनाइज रहने की आदत है. बट ये जो चेयर आप देख रहे हो ना, एवरी वीक आई वेयर समथिंग पुट इट ऑन द चेयर, वेयर समथिंग पुट इट ऑन द चेयर. कबर्ड में डालने का मौका ही नहीं मिलता बिकॉज आई एम सच अ लेजी शिट. सो आई थिंक वी आर रेडी. हमने अपना रूम साफ कर दिया, सब कुछ ही साफ कर दिया एंड वी आर ऑल सेट टू गो. And I literally have no idea if I should wear a cap because I just don't want to wear cap all the time. मुझे थोड़ा सर को हवा भी लगने देनी है. So I think now we should go. We are already late, so let's pack up and go. This is the look and I think it's looking cool. Let's go. So let's go. Cookies. I think grey और brown का combination ही लग गया. I mean we need to agree. I think it's my face. To be very honest, it's my face. Can you see the pimple patch right on my nose? If you are living in Germany, let me tell you, if you will stay in your room all day, you would get depressed, trust me. So every day just go out, no matter if you are free or what, just go out. This is me reaching to my U-Bahn and trust me, the place where I'm living right now is disgusting in terms of transportation. भाई साहब यूनी जाने के लिए मुझे 3 घंटे लगे हैं कल and I was literally crying for help. I literally called my friend कि see, either I'm gonna be dead or you will be helping me out. I usually don't hate traveling, but it's all about the timing. If the bus is coming at 20 minutes, I can wait 20 minutes. But after 20 minutes, it just says that the bus has been delayed. You have to wait 1 hour. And I'm like, what the fuck? I'm suffering from studies. I'm suffering from my mental disabled brain. And I need to suffer from transportation. Like, what the fuck? Finally, मैं पहुंच गया हूँ. इतनी भूख लगी है ना, मैंने ओट्स खाए थे बट स्टिल आई एम हंग्री एज फक. Skinny people are never satisfied. They are never satisfied. कितना मर्जी खा लो फिर भी उन्हें भूख लगी ही रहती है और कुछ लगता भी नहीं बॉडी को. That's so bad. This is the place where I used to live before. The place was beautiful. I don't fucking care about how it looks, but the landlord sucks. He has no manners. Hi. एक थोड़ी कर्टेसी होती है कि आदमी पानी ही पूछते कोई गेस्ट आया घर पे.
खुद पी लेना.
कोई फायदा नहीं है जर्मनी में आके पढ़ाई करने का. जल्दी से जाके मैंने अपने कपड़े वॉशिंग मशीन में डाल दिए and I was the happiest kid in the world. And I thought these are my ex roommates, so ये मुझसे काम नहीं करवाएंगे. But यहाँ पे इन्होंने मेरा पूरा फायदा उठाया. And these pink chappals they gave me, indirectly they were giving me princess treatment, but they were using me to the fullest. After some time मैंने अपने कपड़े डाल दिए सुखाने में, which was my only motive to visit this place. I don't give a fuck, but I have to give a fuck when I got to know कि मेरे roommate का birthday है and I didn't know a bit. Who cares? But of course they organized a little like maybe lunch or something and I was like so excited to eat, not for the birthday celebration. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है किसका बर्थडे है, मुझे किस चीज का फर्क पड़ता है कि आज खाने में क्या बना है. एंड खाने में पूरी चिकन एंड राइस. आई वाज ओवरवेल्म्ड, ट्रस्ट मी. क्योंकि जब से मैं अकेले शिफ्ट हुआ हूँ खाने का तो जैसे नामो निशान ही नहीं है. Now we are planning to go to park.
मुझे मत रिकॉर्ड करना.
Why? Why?
I don't want to be in videos.
You are. So we are all set. बीच में हमने केक घुसाया हुआ है. केक के साथ साथ हमने छोटे मोटे मफिन्स भी घुसा रखे हैं. अब हम पानी की बॉटल लेके चलेंगे पार्क में क्योंकि हमारा पेट फुल हो चुका है. तो हमने सोचा क्यों ना पार्क में जाके थोड़ा सा चिल्ड अप हो जाए. So I think the fit is like quite cool. I've posted this. मैंने Instagram पे एक पोल रखी हुई है कि 4 आउटफिट्स है, मैं उनमें से कल यूनिवर्सिटी कौन सी पहन के जाऊँ. And I honestly feel like मुझे ये पहननी चाहिए because I am just feeling powerful in like. If you will also see gray and brown and gray and this face card. Its face card is not declining, you guys. Like, let's be more like demure. So yes, let's go to the park with us. Come. Fuck off. So here we go to our location. They told me there is this garden nearby which is like so beautiful and you guys need to visit there. And I was like, okay, let's go there. Until when I reached there, I got to know ki, oops, I have been here before. Because I go everywhere when it comes to make videos. We just reached here and the coincidence is that I've been here before, जो कि मैंने आपको already बता दिया. The location is beautiful. Can you just see? It's amazing. This is where I made videos. That is where I made videos. But मेरे वो videos post नहीं हो पाए because I could not make it. We all thought कि गार्डन में क्या ही होगा, क्या ही करेंगे हम लोग, until जब हमें एक खुफिया जगह मिली जहाँ पे everyone was naked and they were just taking saunas. It was just full place of people like naked. And of course I have to record it and I need to watch it by myself. और इसी चक्कर में हमारे साथ जो एक कपल था, they got pissed at each other कि तू उनको क्यों देख रहा है, तू उनको क्यों देख रहा है, तेरे को वहाँ जाना है, तेरे को. And it was such a freaking funny thing. I don't know, you guys cannot see it because I was just trying so hard not to record it. Then we found this ugliest place ever where people were chilling and we thought यहाँ पे बैठ के कुछ होने नहीं वाला है. Let's just walk out from this place. Siri, you have a shuttle. Where is the cock?
Shut up. I'm gonna poop. Please, Jan, it's not with me.
You have shuttle. Where is the cock?
It must be with Sam or Udal.
You are the one who told me this joke.
No, hide it.
Why did you tell me this joke then? Go and get the cock.
You are the one who started.
The one more thing that I love about being in Germany, that everyone is so active in terms of their sports, in terms of their body and everything. They are doing something, at least something, not just laying on their freaking couches like me or sleeping all day. And here I go just capturing this cute couple. I mean, people here knows what the meaning of love is. So हमने decide किया कि this place is empty also. Why just not we should play here the shuttle and cock. यहाँ आते आते of course हमें भूख तो लगी थी. Then we bought the leftover cake to eat here in the park. And everyone was playing, enjoying, and that was it. We called it a day. I hope you guys liked it, enjoyed it, and guys, no matter what, no matter where you are, enjoy the every moment of your life because it's important. Don't be lazy, set alarms, set your motivation, and follow your dreams because no one will. Have a blessed day.